automatic. My cousin couldn't make it.
Unfortunate, man.
That was super unfortunate. I said her friend's cousin needs to learn how to drive fast, because that is not fast, man.
How late were they?
Dude, they basically didn't even make it.
How was your ETA at 11:54? You don't make it by 11:57. That's crazy.
I know. He was probably driving slow then, like going the speed limit, not passing all the cars.
Just for right now.
What do you mean just for right now?
Right now, windy it is, Rob.
Yeah, it is pretty windy. Dude, we're gonna get there so quick, it's just right there.
Yeah, it's 20 minutes. Here's the reverse real quick now. You turn real quick.
Yeah, we were right there. You know, I saw a TikTok that this guy says much better before you trip to take pictures. Yeah.
You do a great job.
I basically do it. I have so much to edit though, that's the thing. I don't think the winds are strong enough for that. I ain't, you calling me lightweight, bro? You saying I weigh 100 pounds or something?
My sister did.
For real?
90 pounds, yeah.
Dang, what? Is she like short?
She's like right about here.
Dude, 90 pounds is crazy.
Yeah, crazy. She was the same height as me.
Slatka.
Whoa, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh wow, bro. Wow, bro.
That is so racist. Oh my god.
That is a racist ass cat, bro.
You gotta send that video to me.
I didn't
Resident
record
only?
that part.
Oh, you only film it right
Well,
here.
no, you record the part where I was like...
Yeah.
Dude, I got that on video, bro. The moment you pull up.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro.
Might be a viral moment.
Racist cat.
I mean, are you looking for like... Is that... Do you have any watches?
I don't got no watch.
Anything good? Anything good?
Looks good.
Good. Hell yeah. Looks nice at the mountain.
Go for a swim, Andrew.
Oh, I mean, it looks all right, but I don't know. You can do it. You have like slippers on. Just take off your socks. Yo, is that a crab?
Where?
It's a little baby crab, but it's dead. It's on his back.
No, it looks like he's moving.
Can we help him? Yo, help him, bro.
Yeah, you should touch it. Oh, he's fucking dead.
Yeah, this crab is fucking dead.
Oh, there's another one. Slide to the right. Look, it's tinier. A little bit.
Dang, they're washed up. Unfortunate.
They're probably dying from a fucking boat. Yeah, there's more over there. Too.
You just grind it up. I don't know how to skip rocks. You know how to do it?
No, not really. I did one.
Whoa, it skipped. Oh, can't do it. Not even close. I don't got the javelin, bro. Oh, I hurt my arm doing that.
Right there? I'm gonna try to beat that. Is that the rock you're gonna take with you? Take it back to America.
A Bowen Island. You just smuggle a rock?
Take it back to America, man.
They see your partner.
You have anything to clear?
A rock? That got can't.
A rock.
Maybe. Hey, maybe you can get your mom something here. Look, it's a gift shop, I think. What do you mean? We have the American discount, right?
No. Yo, speaking of that, you know someone came up to my sister. She works at Dick's right now while she's
Yeah.
in school. It was a diplomat, and they were like, "Where's the diplomat discount?"
Diplomat?
Yeah.
Was they foreign?
I don't know where she was from. Mexico. This is insane, bro. I don't even know who. I can't even see what I look like. Yeah, let me take those the fuck off. I would never want to
Dude, that's. Let's say, mess up your vision.
What these?
That's a good size, right?
Oh, these are horrible too.
Can you jump in?
They're all terrible.
They're like tight, like shoulder. It's like
Wait, I don't know. Are these cars for bro?
Probably. Are there people in there, or is it just parking? Because there is a parking lane. Dude,
People
you
are
don't
all
realize
waiting. They're all waiting.
there's a good amount of Asians here. Did you know that?
Dude, these people are all waiting. People are fucking here for hours.
Are you serious? Is this all ferry lineup?
That's how we should wait. We're not gonna be.
Dude, we should line up then. Like at least park the car.
It's of a national park.
Stop. We gotta keep the camera rolling always because what? Imagine we caught that and we just like upload it. Great content. Pretty much. It's fresh air. It's like cinematic. Hey, record me. Out here in Vancouver. Out here in
Made it back.
Fucking made it.
Fucking
We're fucking back. Finally. Holy shit. Got some freedom.
Actually, we've been 6 people.
Fuck, that's a big mistake.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you guys were. Dude, I'm pretty sure Howard them just got home. No, don't. Like, I see it, bro. I see the potential. Well, you cut time by 2 minutes. We're good, bro. We're good. Bro, you're on these dudes' ass.
I know.
Just run it slow, bro. What do you want me to do?
Hey, bro, people here have guns, dude. People here have guns.
We're in the fucking mountains, bro. Chill out, chill out.
They have guns, dude.
Now we're in the place. Well, that has this fucking phone in its hand.
Yeah, we can't fuck with just anyone. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh my god, dude, we're flying.
We in America.
Oh, yeah.
I think your cousin would have a heart attack.